Welcome back, guys. So, this is episode 3 on the series Growing Small Accounts. And in this video, we're going to be looking at the live trade analysis breakdown on how I grew a $19 account to a $113 account in just one trade. Don't forget the sole aim of this video is not for bragging rights, but to make you believe that it is possible on small accounts and to totally drench and drown the perspective or belief that trading is only possible on a big account, or that making money through trading is only possible on $10,000 accounts, $20,000 accounts. Those perspectives are all wrong. And so that is the main purpose of my creating these videos, to make you know that, see, we traders all have humble beginnings. We have low beginnings, and we all started like this. No one just started with $10,000 accounts, right? So there was once those hungry days where you put in the work. So that's just to reiterate that. So let's get straight into the video. Now, we have our first draw on liquidity. I won't be going to the daily time frame on this one because nothing really serious there, but we have a bearish bias on the daily time frame. So we have our change of character, which means we want to see more sell side movements, and we of course want to see a pullback into this fair value gap created above here. So this is our point of interest. Don't forget, in smart money concepts, there are 3 elements to watch out for before considering taking a trade. Firstly, you want to have your market bias. Secondly, you want to have your point of interest, and then finally, you want to look for entries using the different smart money entry techniques that I talked about in my course, that have been proven over and over and over and over again to work. You can think of what will give someone the kind of confidence as to enter a small account and an account is flipped by times 4 or 5 and above. So you need to know what you are doing. So the moment we have liquidity taken out here, in my previous videos, you hear me talk about liquidity. It's one of the major concepts also to look at when considering buyers' point of interest. They are all broken down in the course. So we have this liquidity here taken out before we have this movement to our first drawn liquidity. Now, the moment we are in that drawn liquidity, what are we looking at? So we scale down to our M15 time frame, which is 15-minute time frame. This is liquidity. We have that divergence up there. This is basic knowledge, divergence. So, and we had our model. We have a push down to our second drawn liquidity, which is this order block right here. This is just basic smart money concept, price flow. And then the market ranges all the way up into this order block, our third drawn liquidity. And then we go down to M5 to find our entry. And so we have a nice 1:11 risk to reward ratio. Of course, these are kind of setups you want to be looking at for, because you have a small account. You need to be getting in as precise as possible. So now I've hit my take profit. So where do I think I want the market to come back to before we see further prices all the way down to our final draw liquidity, or maybe second take profit? So this zone right here is our second take profit zone. I didn't want to use the first take profit zone, which will be after into this order block here. The moment the market came here, we're testing this second drawn liquidity. You can see the market came in, tapped it, and then came back up to come into this New York setup right here. So you actually had, if you missed the trade or you wanted to stack up positions like I did clearly in the video proof of the live trade on a real account, You can clearly see that I also opened some positions with the retracement here. I opened about two more positions and then rode that all the way down, uh, and took everything off at this fourth drawn liquidity. And now we have the market going back up for more liquidity, but I believe if the market does not respect this, it is going to come all the way to filling this. But I'm already out, you know what I'm saying? I'm out. I'm not greedy, and I've achieved what I want because more I was able to catch that retracement, so I was able to stack up more, so possibly make more before a potential, trade rally before hitting TP. But the market might want to take time, and personally, I don't like staying long on trades. I just like trading the London and New York sessions. So this is the trade review, and that was how I made that money. So thank you for watching, and I hope I'll see you in the next episode.